welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Nadula hair again, and I got a few goodies. Well, so in the package itself, like outside of the box, I got this drawstring bag and it's branded Nadula. I also got another Nadula robe in like the champagne or nude color. Love these. And then finally the box with the wig. So before we jump into the wig that we got today, I got a goodie bag and some other goodies. They're so generous with all these goodies. So as you can see, I actually got 2 of these bomb wig caps that I absolutely love getting, because these melt down so easily and make your install look so nice and natural, and it's just overall so good to work with. Very breathable and thin material. I got a Nadula elastic headband, so that's great to apply to like your edges when you're trying to melt the wig down. I also got another headband. This one is patterned. I got a pair of lashes, and finally I got this brush here. That we're working with today, guys, is a glueless pre-cut HD lace wig. This is a closure wig. This is a glueless closure wig, guys. This is a 5x5. I love this. I love this. I've been working with these a lot since recently. As you guys know, it's pre-plucked in the front, so this is literally a drag on and go. The only thing you probably need to do, it will probably have a little cast in the front after you apply it, so you could just use a little lace tint or a little foundation or powder to just neutralize that shade and you'll be fine. Okay, as you can see, the cap construction, it's a very breathable kind of construction going on. There also has a extra like adjustable elastic band attached for extra security, so you don't have to use any adhesive, no gel, no glue, no nothing to install this wig. So they don't have adjustable straps on this one. What it has here is like a rubber. So what this will do, it will actually help to grip on the perimeter of the head once you apply this. So I love that. They're thinking really genius, and it's also a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, 2 at the sides and 1 at the back. But this looks really good. The lace color is actually like a medium brown tone, and it came with like a nice little center part. So these curls look very nice and defined, and the wig itself is very full. The wig is 20 inches long, by the way, and this is some really nice curly Brazilian hair. As you can see, it's also a 1B natural color. In terms of density, I'll be sure to drop that in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead and check that out. But we're working with a bomb lace closure wig today, glueless, and yeah, I'm so ready to get into it, so let's go. So I'll just take my elastic band, and you know the drill, just flip it on over, right? So you see that little cast I'm talking about, like immediately, right? The hair looks so good, so nice and natural. Like you literally could just, and I feel like I want that look. I definitely want that fluffed out curly look, because these curls are already so defined. But yeah, so what do you do in order to just kind of, you know, remove that cast? Well, you know what I've been doing. I've been taking my lace tint spray and just kind of like spray the area with it, and this is what cancels out any cast that might be there. You see that? It looks so good, like so good. I'll just get my elastic band, the elastic headband, to kind of like press it down. No, this isn't it's not an adhesive or anything, but it's kind of like just melting the product into the lace a little bit more. This is so quick. This is the ultimate beginner friendly wig install, honestly, like no joke. You really don't need to do anything. So I'm just, you know, fluffing the hair, literally just fluffing it more while, you know, I just let the elastic band melt that lace down with the tint spray. So you see no product so far apart from the tint spray, and I said you could just go in with powder. If you don't have that, don't stress yourself, just go in with powder or foundation and it will work just the same. So I didn't even use any blow dryer or anything. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? No baby hair is needed, by the way. None. See? You can move it, shift it anywhere you want. So you see it's definitely not an adhesive. The hair looks good. You could decide if you want to go in and do like, you know, your like wet look. But this, I tell you, I'm feeling this look. I'm feeling this look. This is the ultimate slip on and go big enough friendly wig. And it looks natural. And it looks natural. This video is very much to the point. It's not drawn out because there's really not much. There's not much to achieve in a very cute, natural, minimalistic, curly look. You know, so shout out to Nadula for today's wig because they ate. This wig eats. So all my girlies who don't have a whole salon going on at home, you don't have, you know, no flat, no, you don't have no hot comb, no blow dryer, none of that. Don't worry. This will still work for you, okay? Yeah. So, as usual, just check out my description box. Any possible codes that I might have, any deals, any sale, anything of the sort, it will be listed in my description box. And note, I said if. Okay? So yeah, anything like that, that will be listed in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, you know, like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.